Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add video watermark to your YouTube videos. So firstly guys, you have to sign in your YouTube channel studio. Then here click on customization. Now here guys, click on basic info. Now here guys, click on branding. Scroll down and here is the option video watermark. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. An image that's 150 pixels is recommended. Use a PNG, GIF, no animations, BMP or JPEG file that's 1 MB or less. Then click on upload and find out that type of picture. Then click on done. You can select entire of video, custom start or entire videos, end of video or entire video. Then click on publish. So this way guys, you can add video watermark to your YouTube channel's video. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.